What is up, guys? Today we will talk about how you guys can make your Steam games to open up on your second monitor. Well, Steam does not have to do anything with the games running on first monitor or second monitor. It is on the game. So if you have a Steam account and now you just want to, if you have two monitors, like you want to run the game on this monitor, not the other one, how can you do that? In this case, what you have to do is you just have to make the monitor as your main display. So for that, you just have to right click and then open up display settings. Once you click on that, the display settings will open up. My Steam just popped up, so I'm just going to close it. Now, as you can see, this is how the display will look like. Now here, you just have to select which monitor is which. If you click on identify, as you can see, this is the second one. Now here, you just have to select that and click on make this my main display. Currently, in my case, it is already my main display, so it won't do that, but I can change it to my first monitor as well. Now, once you do that, whenever you will turn on your game, you will automatically see that the game is automatically running on this like monitor. However, if you want to do something like different thing, so what you can do is like you're trying to play a game and the game runs on this monitor. What you can do is you can always do something like press Alt plus Enter to get it to Windows mode, move it to different folder or move it to different screen, and then full screen once again. However, in-game settings allow you to change the monitors as well. So that's pretty much it. That's how you'll be able to change the game to running on the second monitor or the first monitor. Hope you guys find this video helpful.